Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox not opening in Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox not opening in Microsoft Store Windows 10? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so if you're having this issue, uninstalling Roblox and deleting the Roblox folder after uninstalling will remove any corrupted or outdated files left over and should fix the problem when you reinstall it. So what you need to do, step one is uninstall Roblox. So to do this, click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. In Settings, click on Apps. Search for Roblox and click on that. Then click on Uninstall and wait until it finishes. So after you've done that, step two is to delete the Roblox folder. So to do this, right-click on Start, then click on Run. Type percent local app data percentage and click on OK. Search for the Roblox folder and delete it. Restart your computer and reinstall Roblox and check if the problem was fixed. And most of the time, this is the fix for it. So another note is this should not delete any places that you may have saved in the studio unless you have manually chosen to save those things in the folder. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you in the next one.